When the doctor said, "It's a girl," I was overjoyed. I knew that this little girl would change my world, and it was my job to teach her so many things. Always know that you deserve to be loved beyond words and treated like a lady. My dearest daughter, we've shared many wonderful days. As it's time to let you go, I do so joyfully. First of all, I want Jack to know how happy I was to walk Allie down the aisle this evening to marry you. My advice to you: be kind and considerate to each other. Be selfless and keep a sense of humor through good times and less good times.
And finally, Allie, I cannot imagine anyone who'd be better for Jack. And the way his face lights up and his voice changes when he talks to you on the phone, it proves you guys are perfect for each other.
Honestly, Allie, there are a few people that I care about more than you, and I've never seen you more yourself than when you're with Jack. Raise a glass to the Petersons.
This is our A-team. Y'all are our people. We love you so much, and it's time to party!
And I've been emotional multiple times I didn't expect to be, but I am just so thankful. It's everything I've ever wanted for my big day.
You may kiss the bride.